Hiya, my name is Ren, and I'm here to teach you about the letter G. Let's get started. This is the letter G. Let's learn what sound the letter G makes. The letter G can actually make two different sounds, a hard G sound and a soft G sound. Today we're going to learn about the hard G sound. To make the hard G sound, your mouth will be open with the back of your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. Then you let out a puff of air, like this. G, G, G. Can you give it a try? Go ahead. Hee, nice work. Now let's look at some words that start with the hard G sound. Goat, glue, grapes, gate, glasses. Those words all start with the hard G sound. Let's say those words together this time. Goat, glue, grapes, gate, glasses. Nice work. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the hard G sound. Here's an example. If I were to say golf, golf, and then ask you if it starts with the hard G sound, you would say, yes, it does. But if I were to say the word turtle, turtle, and then ask you if it starts with the hard G sound, you would say, no, wait, turtle does not start with the hard G sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Game. Does game start with the hard G sound? Yes, game does start with the hard G sound. Now for your second word. Worm. Does worm start with the hard G sound? No way! Worm does not start with the hard G sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Gum. Does gum start with the hard G sound? Yes, gum does start with the hard G sound. Nice work. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn about the hard G sound. See you later.